Good morning to our respected English teacher and all my friends who are watching this video. First of all, let's our praise and thanks God Almighty for His blessing, which allow us together through this video in God health and high spirits. My name is Nicholas Andisi Narawan, and today I want to talk about a sport that is often misunderstood. When people hear the word boxing, what comes to their minds? They think of the violence, blood, broken nose, and two people hurting each other inside a square ring. They see it as a brutal sport, but today I want to show you a different perspective. Boxing is not just about violence. It is called the sweet science. For a reason, it is a sport of strategy, discipline, and ultimate respect. More importantly, the boxing ring is a perfect metaphor for life itself. Today, I want to share the three powerful life lessons that we can learn from the sport of boxing. The first lesson boxing teaches us is that victory is determined long before you step into the light. When we watch a boxing match on TV, we only see the 12 rounds of fighting. We see the flashing lights, the roaring crowd, and the champion raising their hands. But what we don't see are the hundreds of hours spent in the dark, sweat gym. We don't see the 4 a.m. road work, the strict diets, the painful sparring session, and the chairs. In boxing, you cannot fake fitness. If you don't try hard, the ring will expose you within the first 2 minutes. This is exactly like our lives as students. We cannot expect to get good grades or success in our future career if we don't put in the work behind the skin. Success is the result of daily discipline, consistency, and boring routines that no one sees. If you want to win in the ring of life, you must love the preparation. The second and perhaps the most famous lesson from boxing is famous resilience. There is a legendary quote from the movie Rocky that says, "It ain't about how hard you hit, it's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward." In a boxing match, no matter how good you are, you will get hit. Even the greatest champion like Muhammad Ali or Mike Tyson got punched in the face. Sometimes a punch is so hard that knocks you down to the canvas. The referee starts counting 1, 2, 3. At the moment the boxer has a choice, then can stay down where it is safe. They can fight the pain, look at the opponent, and stand back up. Like those exactly the same this to us. Life will hit us with failures, disappointments, loss, and heartbreaks. You may fail an important exam, or you may fail to achieve a goal. It feels like a knockout, but boxing teaches us that falling down is not the end of the match. The only way you truly lose is if you choose to stay down. The spirit A boxer is the spirit of standing up at the count of 9 and saying, I'm not done yet. The third lesson is respect and emotional control. People think boxers affect of anger, but the truth is anger is boxer's worst enemy. If a boxer gets angry, they lose their focus, they make mistakes, and they get knocked out. A true boxer fights with a calculated mind. They must control their emotion under extreme pressure. Furthermore, have you ever noticed what boxers do immediately after beating as other up for 30 minutes? The moment the final bell rings, they shake hands with opponent coach. They show absolute sportsmanship. They respect each other because they both know how much sacrifice it took just to step inside the ring. In our daily lives, we often face conflict. We get angry at our friends, our family, or internet strangers. Boxing teaches us that thrashing with poor anger only ruins us. We need to control our emotions, seeing clearly, and always maintain respect for others, even when we are in a disagreement. And my dear friends and teachers, to wrap up my speech today, boxing is much more than a combat sport. It is a school of life. It teaches us about the discipline to prepare, the courage to stand up after a fall, and the strength to control our own minds. We are all fighters in our own minds. We are fighting for our dreams, our futures, and our family. The next time we throw a heavy punch, don't give up. Keep your guard, your feet, and remember that you have a heart of a champion within you. Thank you so much for your time and your wonderful attention. Stay strong, keep fighting, and goodbye.